Yeah.
All right, thanks, bro.
No problem. All right, boys. Today we are in a, not sure what year, but it's a newer 911. It's pretty new too. The guy, I remember, I clean his car a lot. Oh yeah, the key's on the opposite side. But I remember cleaning his car with like 100 miles on it. So right now he's enjoying it. He's at like 1500. So personally, me, I drive my supercar or sports car, if you want to consider a sports car. I drive mine every day, honestly. Anyways, here's just a cockpit view. This is just kind of like the behind the scenes of what I do pretty much every day at work. I do a lot of post-delivery inspections. I clean out new cars and prep them to get ready to be sold. And I also do like higher end customer cars. Sometimes the cars are like Hondas and stuff like that, but majority of the time it's like exotic cars like this. So just put sport mode on. I'm gonna give you guys a couple of revs. Let's see if you can hear it. Alright. You can hear the turbo spool down. That's lit. But yeah, we're just gonna clean her off, get her ready. The owner's actually here, so gonna have to work pretty fast. Take our acid and spray these rims down. Clean inside of the barrels a little. All right, let's rinse her off. All right, she's ready, boys. Careful with that. All right. Man, I can't get over that sound. Okay, normal sport. This is cool how it's all digital right here, and it's in the gauge cluster as well. I normally do clay bars, but the guy has a clear bra on his car, so he just asked me not to do it, so makes my job way easier. All right, let's see what this thing can do. Okay, boys, I'm gonna turn the GoPro off, clean the car out, and maybe after she's done, I'll start recording. What's good? What's good? Just got off work. I'm pretty hungry. I might end up heading to like Subway, something fast, simple. That's just where we're headed right now. I'm pretty hungry, and then after that, we might do a little bit of driving. Hopefully we don't get into too much trouble, and yeah. So if you did catch my last video, be sure to watch it. If you didn't, I fixed my gauge cluster and my climate control lights, so everything works now. It's pretty straight. If I do some driving at night, you guys will see how I swapped the orange bulbs out to LEDs. It looks pretty good. Damn, are they open? I don't know why I pull my A brake, just a habit. No. I haven't ate all day, so I'm absolutely starving. So what's good, man? How are you? Tired, just got off work. So could I do the foot-long meatball sub on Italian herbs and cheese, please? Could I do pepper jack? Actually, I'll do 2 oatmeal raisin cookies and a drink. Alright, I already showed you guys how to build the ultimate sub, so you can thank me later. But if you ever do come to Subway, definitely try this like watermelon juice. It's absolute fire. And I add a little bit of that too, just a little though. Can't add too much. Right. Damn, look at the Lexus in that sunset. Let's just take a minute to appreciate this car. It just looks so good. Like, I love this car so much. Just so clean. Oh God. Oh fuck, that sun is blinding. Well, whatever. Maybe a little pole right here. Window down. Oh shit. This car is so slow. What is up guys? Just right now it is the next day and it's Friday, so just plans for the rest of the day, or I should say the rest of the night. Just gonna head to my local car meet with one of my friends, Jesus. You guys know him with the WRX wagon, and he's gonna be taking his motorcycle. I'm not sure what type it is. I know it's like a Honda, some type of Honda, but it's like 1,000cc and it's pretty fast. So that man robbed that bike. Oh yeah, I see you. But yeah guys, I'm gonna pick up the GoPro when we get to 7-Eleven. But yeah, that's just plans for the rest of the night, so I'll see you guys when I get there. All right, here he comes. He's pulling up right now. Oh fuck. That's good, bro. Got the GoPro today. Oh yeah.
Sure. You're gonna need to teach me that, bro.
Yeah, I'll show you, bro. On Monday or Saturday, or we trying to slide out now because we're late.
Let's go, bro.
All right, bro.
I'm ready for this.
What kind of bike is this, bro?
Bro, CBR 1000, 2012.
Sheesh.
Just got it.
It looks mean, bro.
I'm still learning a little bit.
I'm trying to get a bike too, man, but my girl says no, and I can't. All right, bro.
All right, bro.
We'll cruise there. Try not to go too fast.
All right.
This guy, he speeds too much, bro. What?
I try to keep up with you.
Nah. I'll do my best to drive and film, but... Oh, fuck. Look at that, man. Guys, I didn't know the Lexus did this, but I think my friend told me that the car shoots flames. I wouldn't doubt it though, because I've seen IS's with just exhaust shoot flames. So I don't know. I gotta talk to Jesus about that, but apparently he said it shot flames.
Straight flame, bro.
Deadass. Nah, I didn't.
I promise you, it was a straight, like, it was bad.
It was big. No way, dude. Damn, I didn't know it did that.
It does. It was blue. It was blue.
What?
It was like blue.
swear, my gas tank literally went like, fucking, the needle went like, shoo!
Another flame!
Another one? Oh,
Another
shit!
flame, yes, sir!
Oh, yeah. Fuck, let's try to get more. Fuck it. Like, my setup is so basic. Like, I have a stock IS with the eBay $100 catback exhaust system, and I guess I'm shooting flames. Like, I wish I could see it, but I guess I can smell it though. I smell it, so I'm pretty sure I'm shooting them.